students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So kids, our today's video topic is less minus 4. In this topic, we will learn how to subtract 4 with the help of this tool when the bead is not there, or you can say when there is lack of bead. Kids, in our previous video, we have discussed the topic less minus 3. We have done the sums related to this topic. In those sums, we get lack of minus 3. Yes, means we have to subtract 3, but the bead was not there. So, we have used this tool to subtract 3 with the help of small friends. Yes. Now today our topic is small friends less minus 4. So today we will do the sums in which we will get lack of 4 bead. Means we have to subtract 4 but the bead will not be there. So we will use this tool and the small friends method to subtract the number 4. Now let's start kids with the first sum. Now kids, you can see that it is a one row sum. So it will go in one slot. Now kids, here you can see the tool is there. Before starting the sum and doing the calculation in this tool, first of all we will make a quick revision of the parts on this tool. So you know that this outer part is called frame. This midline is called value bar, or you can say only bar also. These are called beads. These are up, so these are called upper beads. These are down, so these are called lower beads. And you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are there. In this mid dot, we do our calculation. And this mid dot rod is called units rod. Yes, this mid dot rod is called units rod. And just besides this units rod, here, see this rod is called tens rod. Yes, this mid dot rod is called units rod. Just besides the mid dot rod, this rod is called the tens rod. And these two rods only we do our calculations. So kids, let's start putting all these numbers in this tool. I hope you remember that for adding we put the beads up and for subtracting we put the beads down. So let's start. Now first of all add 5. See, no sign means add. So add 5 means, see mid dot rod, add 5 means put the 5 bead down. Now see, units rod and ones rod is same. Units rod, or you can say ones rod also. So see, 5 we have to add in ones rod. So 5 here I have added. 5 bead down. Now next you have to do minus 4. But you can see kids that 4 bead is not added only. See, 4 beads are down. So how you will minus it? Now for subtracting 4, the first number which you will subtract is 5. And then you have to add the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? See, small friends. I have told you kids to learn these small friends because without these friends you can't do this sum in the tool. It should be in your fingertips. And how you will learn them? You will learn them with the help of fingers. Yes. See. Now, 4 is the friend of 1. So add 1. See, whenever you have to subtract 4 and the bead is not there, the first number which you will subtract is 5. See, 4 you have to subtract, so you are subtracting 5 also. Means 5 always go with the number. If you have to subtract, then you will subtract 5. If you have to add 4, then you will add 5. So, the number always goes with 5, or you can say the 5 always goes with the number, means the signs are always same. Now, if you have to subtract 4 and the bead is not there, so the first number which you will subtract is 5 and then add the friend. Now, who is the friend of 4? 1. So, subtract 5, add. Just keep it in your mind, kids, that in these sums you have to do minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. Now kids, minus 4 you have to do in one slot, but the bead is not there. So the first number which you will subtract is 5. Back to its place 5. Then you have to add 1. And your 4 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do. Now add 2. See, 2 beads are there. 1, 2. So your answer is 1, 2, 3. So this is your answer, kids. I hope you get this sum. If you want to subtract 4, the first number which you will subtract is 5 and add 1 because 1 is the friend of 4. Now we will move to the second sum, kids. Now this is your second sum, kids. It will go in one slot because it is a one row sum. Now first of all you have to add 9. Now 9. Now before adding any number, just set your address, means upper beads up and lower beads down. Now 9. See, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 I have added. Now next you have to do minus 4. Now as you will see minus 4, don't rush for the small friends. See, 4 beads are added, so you can do minus 4 directly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And minus 4 is done. Now next again you have to do minus 4. Yes, and the bead is not there because we have subtracted 4 already. So for minus 4, the first number which you will subtract is 5. Back to its place. And then add 1. And this is your answer. Your 4 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do. So count now. See, 1 bead is only there. And this is your answer. The answer is 1. I hope, kids, that you are getting these sums. It's very easy. The only thing which you have to keep it in mind is this. Now we will move to the third sum. Now kids, this is your third sum. As you can see that it is a 2-row sum. So put the first row in one slot and the second row in 10 slot. Now set your abacus before calculation. Just put the lower bead down and upper beads up. Now first of all put this 2 in one slot. See, one slot it is there. 1, 2. Now put 8 in 10 slot. See, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have added 8. See, 82, 82. And this is completed. Now next case, you have to add 5 in one slot. 5 means put the 5 bead down. And 5 is added. Now this is also done. Now next case, you have to subtract 4, but you can see that the bead is not there, 4 bead is not there. So how you will subtract this 4 now? Only 2 beads are there. So whenever you get lack of beads, you take the help of small friends. And our today's topic is also less minus 4. So minus 4, the first thing which you will do is minus 5. Now 4 you have to subtract in 1's rod. So minus 5 also you will do from the 1's rod only. Minus 5 done. Now next add 1. And your 4 is subtracted. Nothing you have to do. See, first of all we have done minus 5. Then plus 1. And your 4 is subtracted. Now next add 1. 1 added in 1's rod. And your sum is completed. Now count the beads. See 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we have used the 10's rod, so we will count the beads in the 10's rod also. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there. Now in 1's rod, see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 84 is your answer. See kids, the only thing which you have to remember is this. That for subtracting 4, you have to do minus 5 plus 4. And you also have to learn these small friends because it is the main part of your abacus tool and the calculations and the topic small friends. Now kids, I think that you got the sum. Now we will move to the last sum. Now kids, this is a 2-row sum. The first row will go in 1's rod, the second row will go in 10's rod. Now you can see kids that all the 1 row digits are 0. So you can add it directly also. First of all, set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now see kids, 50. Now I have told you that this 10's rod upper bead value is 50. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. This upper bead value is 50, then 60, 70, 80 and 90. See 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is 50. So we will put it directly in the 10's rod because all the 1's row digits are 0. Now first of all add 50. So 50 in 10's rod. And directly we have added 50. Now next add 10. Now next minus 40. Now see minus 40 you can't do because we have only added 10 and you have to do minus 40. Now for minus 40, the first number which you will subtract is 50. 50 I have subtracted. Now who is the friend of 40? See there, the friend of 40 is 10. So add 10. Now add 20 and 20. And your sum is completed. Now count. See, 1's rod we have not used. See, count here. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. And this is your answer. You can do like this also, okay? Set 1, 2, 3, 4. And no means, nothing means 0. So, your answer is 40. I hope kids that you get these sums which we have done today. In our today's video, we have learned how to subtract 4 when the bead is not there. And what you will do to subtract 4? You will subtract 5 and you will add 1. This. So kids, with this video, I have given you one practice PDF. In that PDF, there are sums related to your today's topic. Just practice the sums in the tool and make your calculations fast. So kids, next time we will meet with a new topic, new concept and new trick. Make sure kids you watch every single video and stay tuned to the video to learn more.